Hello everyone, KitchenAid mixer won't turn on. Don't worry, in this video we will show you simple steps to get your stand mixer working again in no time. Step 1. Check the power source. Ensure the outlet you are using is functioning. Test it without another appliance or use a voltage tester. Plug the mixer into a different outlet to rule out an outlet issue. Inspect the mixer plug for damage. Step 2. Check the power cord. Look for frayed or broken wires in the power cord. If the cord is damaged, you may need to replace it. Consult the user manual for instructions or contact a professional. Step 3. Ensure the speed control lever is in the off position. Check that the speed control lever is set to the off position. If it's not in the off position, turn it off before attempting to power on the mixer. Step 4. Reset the motor. Ensure the speed control lever is set to off. Disconnect the mixer from the power outlet. Let the mixer cool for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Refer to your manual for the reset button's location and press it. Turn the speed control lever to your desired settings and check if it operates normally. Step 5. Check for loose or broken internal connections. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the problem may be internal. Remove the back or a bottom cover to check for loose wires or connections. Reattach any loose wires using pliers. Look for burnt wires, switches, or motor components. Step 6. Inspect the control board. The control board may fail due to a power surge or wear and tear. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. Order a replacement control board for KitchenAid or an authorized dealer. Step 7. Check and replace the carbon brushes. Unscrew the small caps on either side of the mixer to access the brushes. Remove the brushes and check if they are worn down or broken. Purchase replacement brushes that are compatible with your mixer model and install them. Step 8. Test the on or off switch. Refer to the user manual to locate the on or off switch inside the mixer. Use a multimeter to check for electrical continuity when the switch is toggled. If the switch is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 9. Refer to the user manual. Find the user manual for your specific model, often available online if you don't have a physical copy. Look for guidance specific to your model. Step 10. Contact KitchenAid customer support. Determine if your mixer is still under warranty and contact KitchenAid for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Take the mixer to an authorized repair center if the issue persists and you are unable to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.